Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Chippin, and y'all know what time it is. So today's recipe is gonna be very simple. It's just beef fried rice, and it's one of my favorite. This is quick and easy to make. I love my beef crunchy, so I'm gonna fry it until I get the consistency that I want. All right, and then we're gonna proceed to the vegetables. In the same oil that we fried our beef in, we're gonna add mixed vegetables, minced garlic, ginger, onions. You know what time it is, and I love it spicy, so I throw in some peppers in there. Here goes my soy sauce. And here comes my pre-cooked rice. Once I add in my rice, I'm going to keep stirring and keep stirring it. From this stage, it's all about stirring. To further enhance the flavor, I add in some sesame oil. And I'm gonna keep stirring until everything is well incorporated and well mixed. You all know what time it is. Now there you have it. Look at that beauty. Now, as I mentioned earlier on, I love my beef a little bit chewy and chunky, so that's how I made it. If you don't want yours like that, just don't fry it, or you can just saute it, and we'll give you that juiciness as you get from the restaurants. All right, now I punched it up with my homemade shito. All right, and oh my god, y'all don't have any idea how good this was. So this is it right here. Until the next video, peace.